Welcome to this video on learning fast versus knowing everything, mastering meta-learning in a rapid world. We will explore why the ability to learn quickly is your most valuable asset.
We are living with the reality of information decay. Information changes quickly, and industry standards shift in months, not decades. Expertise is a moving target, not a final destination. This is why fast beats everything. The ability to learn fast is more valuable than knowing everything. Adaptability is the ultimate competitive advantage, making the learn-it-all an asset and the know-it-all a liability. The core skill you need is learning how to learn. Shift your focus from what to learn to how to learn. Identify core principles quickly to unlock specialized knowledge. The faster you deconstruct a new skill, the sooner you can monetize it. Understanding the value of information means acknowledging its decay rate. Knowledge must be used, or it becomes obsolete. This speed allows you to stay ahead of the curve of obsolescence, as value is proportional to learning speed divided by the decay rate. Our training programs help professionals build effective learning strategies. You can master rapid skill acquisition and information filtering, gaining the tools to lead your team through rapid industry transitions. Master your performance with ForElite. Stay curious, stay fast, and stay elite. Join the elite by contacting us via email, phone, or visiting our website.